Hello, students. How are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazaar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are doing good job at your home and enjoying the online classes. So, my dear students, today I am going to teach you English reader. So today we are going to do the exercises of chapter number 6. The name of the chapter is The Elephants and the Mice. So my dear students, in our previous video we had completed the explanation of this lesson. So this is a story about of the herd of elephants and mice. So from the story we had learned that we should not consider anyone small and always help the needy person. So in this story, the mouse, small creature, help the big creature, elephants, when they are trapped by trappers. So I hope you enjoyed the story that I explained you in your previous video. Now, let's do the exercise. Question number A. Fill in the blanks with words from the brackets. So, students, first of all, look at the words that is given in the bracket. There are two words given in the bracket. So, you have to choose the correct words and write in the given blank. Let's do this filling the blanks. The first one is a herd of live in the jungle. So students, here you have to write elephants. The herd of elephants lived in the jungle. Now look at the second one. The king was blank to hear about the mice. So my dear students, in the story I told you that the king was sorry to hear that so many mice had died. So here you have to write sorry in the given blank. Now let's come to the third one. The blank took the king's message to the mice. So students, who took the king's message to the mice? You know very well, the queen took the king's message to the mice. The mice and the elephants became friends. So here you have to write friends. The mice and the elephants became friends. Now, question number A is completed. Let's come to the question number B. Who said these words? Write their names on the blank. The first one is, let us go and talk to the king of the elephants. So who said these words? These words are said by mouse. So here you have to write M-O-U-S-E, mouse, in the given blank. Now look at the second one. It won't happen again. So who said this word? These words are said by Elephant King. So here you have to write Elephant King. Now let's come to the third one. Many elephants have been caught by trappers. So these words are said by Queen. So here you have to write Queen, Queen. Now let's come to the question number C. Answer these questions. Let's come to the first one. Why did the elephants go to the lake? So my dear students, do you know the answer of this question? Why did the elephants go to the lake? The elephants went to the lake to drink the water because they are thirsty. So you have to write this in your fair copy. Now let's come to the second one. Why did the mice hold a meeting? So students, do you know why did the mice hold a meeting? The mice hold a meeting because they conveyed the message to the king of the elephant that their mice friends are killed by elephants and they should take another path for next time. Now let's come to the question number 3. Who caught the elephants? So students, do you know who caught the elephants? The trapper caught the elephants. So in the answer of question number 3, you have to write the trappers caught the elephants. Now let's come to the question number 4. That is, how did the mice help the elephants? The mice helped the elephants by cutting the ropes with the help of their sharp teeth. So students, you know very well, mouse have sharp teeth. So by the help of their sharp teeth, they cut the ropes from which the elephants were tied. So here in the answer of question number 4, you have to write the mice help the elephants by cutting the ropes with the help of their sharp teeth. So this is the answer of the given questions. I hope you understand the question number A, B and C very well by the help of this video. Now you have to write this in your fair copy with the help of PDF that is given in your WhatsApp group, and you have to do all the homework and assignment work that is given during your live classes. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.